Hi guys, pakinggan nyo to. Grabe, ang ganda ng boses. Pasikatin natin. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video, i-heart mo naman. Pakinggan po natin siya.
You cleared my mind. I sold my soul. You brought it back from
Galing,
me
talented.
and held me up and gave me dignity. Somehow you needed me. You gave me strength to stand alone again.
Sarap pakinggan.
To face the world out on my own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me.
So guys, kung nagustuhan mo yung video, paki-heart naman. So guys, thank you for watching.